Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to register a trademark for Amazon. First, understand that a registered trademark is crucial for protecting your brand on the platform. It provides legal protection against infringement and helps establish your brand's unique identity. We'll cover the necessary steps to ensure your intellectual property is secure, enhancing your credibility and potential for increased sales. This process is vital for long-term success. The first step is to conduct a comprehensive trademark search to ensure your desired mark isn't already in use. This prevents potential legal issues down the line. Next, you'll prepare and submit your application to the relevant intellectual property office. It's critical to accurately classify your goods and services, as this defines the scope of your protection. Careful attention to detail here saves time and resources. Once your trademark is officially registered, the next crucial step is to enroll in Amazon Brand Registry. This program offers powerful tools specifically designed to protect your brand on the Amazon marketplace. You'll gain enhanced control over your product listings, access to robust reporting features for potential infringements, and a more secure selling environment. This is the only way to fully leverage your trademark on Amazon. By actively using Amazon Brand Registry, you can effectively prevent unauthorized sellers from listing your products, safeguarding your brand's reputation and revenue. The tools provided allow for proactive defense against counterfeits and intellectual property violations. Remember, a strong trademark and active brand registry enrollment are your best defenses. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.